Hi, I'm immigration attorney Jason Finkelman. For international students looking to work in the U.S. after graduation, there are a variety of visa options. Which option is best depends on the type of employer that will sponsor the foreign national, the type of work the individual will be engaged in, the foreign national's qualifications, and in some cases, the foreign national's citizenship. Typically after graduation, an international student will receive U.S. work authorization for 12 months or more through a grant of optional practical training. Thereafter, students will need to obtain a U.S. work authorized visa to continue working in the United States. While the specific visa that is right for you largely depends on your particular circumstances, I'd like to give you a general understanding of some of the more common U.S. visas utilized by international students after graduation. One of the more common work visas obtained by international students after graduation is the H-1B visa. The H-1B visa classification is available to foreign nationals who possess at least a bachelor's degree or higher and who will be working for a U.S. employer in a professional level occupation. The H-1B is usually granted in 3-year increments for a maximum of 6 years. Typically, students seeking an H-1B visa for the first time will have to contend with a quota, or cap, which puts an annual limit on the number of new H-1B visas which can be issued. Employers can only file H-1B petitions for these cap-subject visa spots at a certain time of the year. If U.S. Citizenship and Immigration Services receives more H-1B petitions than visas available, they will conduct a computer-generated random lottery to select the H-1B petitions for processing. International students who may be working for a multinational employer may be eligible for an L-1 visa. The L-1 visa allows for the intra-company transfer of executives, managers, and specialized knowledge employees from a foreign parent, subsidiary, affiliate, or branch office to a related U.S. entity. Upon approval, the employee can work in the U.S. for up to 3 years initially, with the opportunity for 2-year extensions thereafter. To be eligible, the employee must have been continuously employed by the foreign company in 1 out of the last 3 years. The O-1 visa allows foreign students who have demonstrated extraordinary ability in science, art, television, film, education, business, or athletics to work for a U.S. employer in their specific field. O visas may be granted for up to 3 years, and extensions can be filed indefinitely. Certain nationalities have special visas allocated to them. If you're an international student from one of these countries with at least a bachelor's degree or higher and seeking to work for a U.S. employer in certain professional level occupations, you may be eligible for a TN, E3, or H-1B1 visa. The E1 and E2 visa allows foreign students from certain countries who are coming to the U.S. to engage in substantial international trade or actively invest a substantial amount of money in a U.S. business. The E1 or E2 visa may be valid for 1 to 5 years depending upon your nationality. For more information on these particular visas, check out our individual tutorial videos on each of these classifications, or feel free to contact me at finkelmanlaw.com.